It's Temu time again. Hey, I'm coming at you guys with another quick video. I got this Temu angle grinder. It's like a $10 angle grinder, so I don't know how it's gonna work out, but let's check it out and see how it does. Thanks. Well, hold on. All right, here's the box it came in. It's pretty small, but that's the battery powered electric angle grinder. Got a battery. It's got a charger. It's got a pair of safety glasses. And then it's got the grinder itself. Oh, Allen wrench. Alright, so let's put the blade on here and see how this thing's gonna work out. Oh man, I don't know how this thing's gonna go, but we're gonna put it on here like this. And then we're gonna do like that. And then we're gonna do like this. Alright, let's lock it down. I don't know. I'm trying. Oh, I don't know what I just did. I might have broke it. I don't know what that's for. Should probably read the instructions. Okay, let's tighten her down. Alright, here we go. Got the battery in, got it semi-tight. I'm just testing it. I'm not going to do anything serious with it. Alright, so let's go and find something to cut. That's metal. Got a metal scrap pile back here. Let's see what that is. No, I might need that for something. You guys see anything in this pile? It'd be worth cutting. Oh man, let's see if it'll cut that. If it cuts that, then we're good. Alright, going to the going over here to the vise. Okay, we got it locked in the vise. Probably should use some safety glasses, but here it goes. Uh-oh, what happened? Must have overheated. Cut off again, twice. I don't know why. I don't know if the battery's not charged or what, but that's 2 times. This tool may be ready to go. Oh, it's in the red, I think. I don't know. I don't know. We'll do a full charge tomorrow, but this is straight out the box. Cut off again. Now we don't ever get through this piece of metal. I'm not pushing down on it. I'm just letting the weight of the tool kind of work itself. Yep, we finally cut it. We cut through it. Finally. Oh, I know that's hot. Yeah, that's probably a good inch thick. And this was a tool that I bought a long time ago. I cut it for some other reason, and I had a little piece left. But it cut through there. It cut off like 3 times. I'm not sure if it's got a full battery charge or not. But I don't know. I'm still up in the air on this one. I'm not sure what to rate it. If I had to rate it now, I'd probably give it a 6 maybe. I mean, but that's straight out the box. I didn't even charge it. So it may work better with the full charge. This particular tool, it only had one battery uh, and the charger. So I'll charge it overnight and then we'll come back to it and see if it does better. But cut off 3 times. Solid steel, 1 inch thick. It did cut through it though. So I gotta give it that. But it's neat. It's only $18, so I don't know if it's gonna replace my. Well, I know it's not gonna replace my regular angle grinder, but we'll see. Anyway, you guys, that's the angle grinder. Until next time, it's Temu time. You guys like, share, and subscribe. Uh, Hit me in the comments and let me know if there's something on Temu that you'd like me to buy and test out for you to give you a review on it. Like I said, this one is probably, it's not going to replace my main angle grinder, that's for sure, even with the full charge. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. See you guys next time.